Hello, everybody! Welcome back to Rail Bros Studios and back to a horn review. I am the webmaster, and joining me is the Cal Rail fan. Say hi. Oh dear.
What?
Oh, I did not hear you say hi. It came out as
Oh,
the audio cut
hello.
out. There it is. But anyway, welcome back to a horn review. We haven't done this in just a little under a year. I believe the last one came out on December 20th of 2020. But anyway, we are back. So basically, in this series, Rate That Horn, or Horn Review, we go through some of our videos, and we listen to the horns that these diesel locomotives have. And we rate them from a scale from 1 to 10. 1 being god-awful, 10 being god-tier. Now we have a series of videos for you, and each of us will be giving our different opinions. So our first video is the Polar Express on the Sacramento Southern, which you can watch now. Are you ready to start?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. I like how the is just by itself. You'll like this. Classic Amtrak.
Yeah, but more on have to give that 6.
You gotta give it what?
6.
Really? Why is
You're
that?
way too fucking close to that.
Oh, whatever.
You're way too fucking close.
Look, it's either that or there be a fence in the way.
I mean, yeah, but still. Also, that horn's fucking overrated as shit.
Yep, K5L. I'm blanking on it. What is it? K5LA?
Yeah.
Yes. But anyway, so there's that. I'm gonna give it a 5 just because it's a 5. It's pretty basic. So let's.
Yeah, you're basic, bitch.
Yeah.
Horns.
But anyway, so we're gonna move on to the SP unit that they have. Not that one. That.
RS5.
What?
Is that an RS5T?
I have no idea.
I don't know. The brake
Yeah,
was setting
what?
up on the whole train.
What?
And there's an idiot popping a wheelie.
Bro, he drift with the
I guess. Wish I could have pushed him over. This is the biggest issue I have with this crossing. I wish they put, like, gates there. I mean, yes.
Oh yeah, someone is going to get hit, and they are going to get hit with a lawsuit.
Yeah.
Or-
Yep.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Seems like that's a 280 homes pulling it. I mean, pushing it, which is good.
I have a question for you. Do you know what those things up here are? Those little, like...
Do you?
I don't.
I think they're there for sand.
No, I think those are the exhaust ports.
Or the exhaust port. One of the two.
I think it's for the exhaust ports. I think sand is somewhere else. But anyway, what would you rate that?
7. It was still loud as fuck.
Oh, duh! It's right on top.
So I'll give it like a 7.
Yeah, I'll go with that. I'll go with also a 7. And then we have one more horn to review because the rest of it is just the same unit, SP 60, 70, whatever it was. But we do have the Western Pacific unit that we have yet to review. So here it is. I apologize for this. It was getting dark, and obviously cameras don't like the dark unless they're designed specifically for the dark. My camera is not designed for the dark. Forgive me for saying this, but it sounds a little bit like a foghorn.
I was gonna say it sounded like a boat.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I mean, if you can. I don't know if you can. No, you can't see them. But the idea with Western Pacific 913 is that it has two horns, and they're almost like ears on this thing. Well, on the top of the
Yeah,
cab.
I know that.
I'm just still explaining it because not everybody does. But this was a time when, like, train horns, when this unit came out, train horns were very, very basic. They were either one or two specific horns. They weren't as elaborate as horns are now, where it's like 5 or 6 different sized horns. They were all, one faced one direction, the other one faced the reverse of that. But obviously it's that bit of like boat foghorn sound. I give it an 8.
I give it a 7.
Well, okay. My reasoning for that is because the reasoning for this is because you don't really hear these anymore.
I mean, like, yeah, but still, it sounds like a fucking boat.
It does.
Like, I won't be able to distinguish that from a fucking boat.
Yeah.
Fucking boat.
All right. Well, we're gonna quickly pause here for a second, and why am I even including this? I can just cut it off when you said I can't distinguish this between a boat. Fuck this. All right. Next up is USAX 2008, which is the United States Army. Out in Sacramento Southern. A lot of Sacramento Southern on this. I apologize. But it's in the area. But anyway, look at that guy's top hat. Look at how fancy he is.
He's dripping. What do you mean? He's got that Lincoln drip.
So actually, I was...
got that plantation owner drip.
No, so fun fact. I was talking to him and his wife, who's the one with the umbrella. And he says that they are part of a group that goes out and they dress up like it's the 1800s back in the day. So it's like, that's pretty cool. I would... No, like...
You sure they're not Amish?
They are not Amish. Why would Amish people be in California?
I don't fucking know.
Hang on,
Amish.
Hang on, I have to text my roommate to shut up. Okay, let's hope he listens. Alright, anyway, let's get started on this video. So I captured this thing back in like September, maybe August? I don't remember. So I don't know what kind of horn that is either.
Me neither.
But it's progression really when you look at it. You look at Western Pacific 913 and then you look at this, you can see the progression of horns over time. And then you can also see the progression with the Southern Pacific E unit, how things have progressed. And then you got the K5LA on the Amtrak unit.
Yeah.
But anyway, I'm going to give that a 7.
Yeah.
I mean, I wish he gave us more material. Obviously, there's more in here. Let's see. Where's a good one? I don't know. Didn't really have any good ones for this one. But But yeah. Anyway, solid 7. Alright, the next video we are looking at is Amtrak and Modesto featuring CDTX 8306. Now, Josh, why don't you explain why 8306 is so unique?
Has no K5LA.
What does it have?
New Task P5, because that's all they had. They ran.
They ran out. But anyway, so yeah, it's got a unique horn that's compared to the cab cars. But anyway, so let's take a listen. Oh, blinking.
Right about now.
You can hear us clicking away on our cameras.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. And right in our ears.
Oh, yeah.
There he goes. Hey, look, an old Superliner car.
Oh, yeah.
Um,
That got directly from Capital Corridor service.
Yep. Where has 8306 been? Has it still been on San Joaquin service?
I think it's on Capital Corridor again.
I haven't run into it in a while. I'm also gonna rate that a 7. I mean, it's definitely
Give me an 8.
Really. What's your reasoning? Because it sounds like an SP unit.
Sounds better than a K5LA.
It is definitely unique.
It goes back to the root
I guess.
of how Amtrak started it goes back to the root.
The roots. Yeah, I suppose so.
A different time.
Mm-hmm. Also harkens back to the old SP days when they used to use P3s and P2s and P5s.
Yep.
Santa Fe, not so much. They were more into.
This is a Santa Fe line.
They were more into
Or
Leslie's.
it was Santa Fe line.
Yeah. They were more into Leslie's.
Yeah, P5. Like any of the P2s is more of SP things.
Yeah.
But on to the next thing.
Yes. Next up is SP 1423 on the Niles Canyon Railway. And I will say, this is the first time I've actually ever been up to the Niles Canyon Railway and actually done something like this. The Cal Railfan has done a few things in the past. Robert Dollar was one of those. And you've just been up there before, right?
Yeah, I've been up there, filmed some freight trains.
Yeah.
Get a local or two.
Yep. But anyway, so you can see the Niles Canyon shops there in the background, and here it comes 1423. And you can see the infamous, they're not infamous, but they're famous, the wigwag signals.
Yeah.
I mean, crossings. I'm dumb.
Yeah, actually, some of them are still in service in short line.
What?
Some of them are still in revenue service with short line.
Yeah.
Like the Sierra.
Or here. At Niles Canyon. Look at it.
It was more of a tour.
It was a
railway than a short line, but still short line nonetheless.
Yeah. It was a beautiful day. Hot too. We're gonna let this one pass because there's something I want to point out to everybody at the end of the train. Because I think it's funny. No, it's funny, but it's true.
All right.
Right there. That young lady right there. AirPods in, on her phone, not giving a single crap.
Oh yeah.
That is how most of the world views what we do.
Oh yeah.
They look up from they maybe they'll look up for a minute being like, "Oh, you're into trains? Oh, cool. Oh, look. My friend just sent me this funny picture on Instagram." That's basically how and it's just like, damn. You know that she does not want to be there. She'd rather be at home.
Yeah.
But she was fucking forced.
Oh yeah.
It is funny as hell, and it's like, sweet vengeance. But anyway, yeah, no, we forgot our rating. Now he didn't give us much to work. He didn't give us really much to work with.
I would give it like a 5.
I'll give it a 5 as well.
Wasn't bad. Wasn't good. It was right in the middle.
I'll give that young lady's not want to be there status a 10.
Oh yeah, she's rocking it. I don't want to fucking be here. Drip.
Yeah, you know that episode in SpongeBob where it's like there's that one moment where Squidward it's like notice the "I really wish I weren't here right now" button. Do you remember that? If I can find that bit, I'll put it in the video. Next video. Yeah. All right, this next video is CN 8021, which leads a power move through Manteca. Now the fact was that it technically wasn't. There was a UP unit in front of it, but the crew was in the CN unit. Why that is? I don't know. Anyway, here we go. Hey, look, a mechanical bell.
Yeah, I got right. One side has mechanical, one has E.
Which is really confusing. But it's like, okay. Now, that's not your standard SD70 ACE horn. Now, yes, the fact is the CN and also the NS classify these. They classify those units as SD70M-2s, even though they look exactly the same as an SD70 ACE. Now, why they do that, I don't know. Maybe there's a different prime mover in there. But I don't think that's not the usual horn you'd see on an ACE.
Yeah, skip forward just a second or two. Just go forward a second. Not 5 seconds. Go back to where you the main body. I'll tell you where to stop. Up. And get loaded. And you missed it by a sec. There.
That horn?
Yeah, take a look at it.
What is that?
Do you think it would be like a P5 or like K5LA? No, that's a K4.
That's a K4.
Yes, it only has 4 chimes.
Interesting.
Because Canadians are weird.
Hey, at least they're friendly and they give us maple syrup.
I mean, like, yeah, at least they're friendly, but horn picking, they're weird.
Ah, well. What would you rate that?
Give it a 8. Pretty good.
I'll also give it a solid 8, especially because it's one that we really don't hear.
Yeah.
Usually. Ooh.
Yeah.
Nice. Sorry. Something on Instagram. Our next video is CSX 752, which is an ES44AH, that's how they classify it there in the CSX roster. It's really an ES44AC. You can watch my video on the Scale Trains CSX unit. I'll put the link up in the top right corner. But let's get started. We're also in Manteca.
This is right after that hour.
Nice. Oh yeah, it's a horn battle.
Yeah, but you can already see there's something different when you're hearing.
What the? Hold on. What the fuck was going on with all the cars?
Oh, people stuck in the track.
Ed.
Bye.
Oh.
And we're desperately trying to get away.
Do we want to both rate that a solid 5 because it is just a typical?
I'll give it a 7. I like those older Jiva horns. Got more bass.
Oh yeah.
They're deeper.
Yeah. I don't know why, but for some reason I don't mean this to sound sexual in any way, but for some reason that ES44 around the exhaust port, if you compare it to the UP ES44 down here, the CSX one looks a little chunkier. I don't know why.
Yeah.
That's a little weird to me. I know that sounds weird, but it just looks chunkier. I don't know, maybe it's the blue.
It's probably the roof.
Maybe. Hey,
But
look.
yeah, next video.
Hold on, will it load? EMP. Alright, the next video is UP's Mission Bay returns to Santa Clara. I don't know what I was doing there that
I think
day.
you were just waiting to get on a Capitol corridor and it just came by.
No, I think I was just getting on a Caltrain.
Oh, yeah, it just came by. It just showed up.
Yeah,
Just like it show up.
Yep, anyway. Watchy. Rio Grande caboose. I do like how that came out in the end. Just the way that the Rio Grande part just. I'm the Rio Grande.
I'm real green.
Do not hurt me. I'm a caboose. What would you rate that?
I give it like a 6.5.
Oh,
It was standard. I've heard that so many times.
Yes, you
I
have.
forget it so many times, so they're stuck in the mission bay for like 6 months.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah.
I'll give it just a 6 out of 10. Just because, I don't like decimals. But then again, who does? All right, our next horn comes from the video of Busy Evening in Santa Clara. We have this grain train coming through that was going from Tucson to Watsonville, and gives you a good horn show here. So let's listen to it. Going in a little fast. Not a lot to work with there.
Well, it was just a classic K3. Classic for SC7BM.
Alright.
I'll give it that. I'd give it like a 6.
Okay.
Classic SV7BM horn.
Alright. Alright, next up, same video. But, oh, sweet, they're hosting late night breakfast from 10 p.m. to midnight. I'm pretty sure it's free, too. Yes, it is. Cool. I know what I'm doing at 10 p.m. tonight. Another K5LA.
Yep.
Altamont Corridor Express, or Commuter Express, excuse me. With both an F40 and a Charger. And then you can see a Caltrain there in the distance.
Yep.
Here, you clicking away. Ooh. A little deafening, but okay.
Yeah.
Okay, very quickly before we get to the last one. First of all, the Ace Train. Standard K5 LA. Nothing really...
90 style, a little better.
Yeah, but nothing really special.
Yeah. I'll give that like a 6.
I will also give that a 6. And then that Caltrain cab car. Gallery.
Classic E2.
Yep. Nothing can go wrong with that. Solid 7.
I give it a 5.
Oh, that's
I
sad.
hear that too many damn times.
Well, that's fair enough for you. I don't hear it a lot, so. Anyway, continuing. Oh shit, another mission bay.
Oh shit.
Hang on a minute. I'm sorry. I saw a post about you see that little bit at the bottom of the plow that's yellow?
Yeah.
So I saw today while I was on the toilet. Sorry, I take my phone in because I'm not gonna just sit there quietly. So I'm swiping on Instagram and I look at one of these and somebody says and somebody was like, here, look, here's a UP grain train. Notice the bottom bit of the Gevo's plow is yellow. If anybody else has any other photos of this, please send them to me. It's like, that's weirdly ironic and weirdly coincidental that that's what happened. But yeah.
Yeah, I think it's just like a safety thing.
Maybe.
I think it's actually low-key reflective.
It might be. I don't know.
It's just like a safety thing.
Maybe.
Makes it easier for the crews.
Yeah, probably. Probably. Anyway. Another SD59.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Did have a different style K3 though. So I have to give that a 7, 8. It was an older style K3. Do you like those?
Okay.
Sounded like a Jeep more than a 59, but
Yeah. I'll go with a 7.
yeah, I'd go with an 8.
Okay. Next video. Okay, this video hasn't even come up yet as the time of recording. This has not actually been uploaded to the channel yet. This is video from a few years ago, so that's why it's a little blurry, plus also it's dark out. It's called South City Mission Bays. Back when it was mostly Jeeps, like GP40s and GP60s. So we're going to have different types of horns as opposed to the horns that you'd hear on the SD59s. Here we fucking go. Get out of the way, car! Hey, look, I mean, you can't really see it, but that car right there says Granite Rock. No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it was Granite Rock. They all say Granite Rock.
Yeah.
They're all Granite Rock.
What would you rate that one?
I give it a 7. Classic Jeep horn. Unit still runs around here. It's an old one. It's been running. This video's taken about 2017, 2016. About 5 years ago.
On an iPhone 5.
Yep. Back when I had an iPhone 5.
Yeah. Alright, let's see. Where's the next one? It's here. Oh. Center beam! Guy on a bike! Go away!
Nice finger coverage.
What?
Nice finger coverage.
Oh yeah, I see that now. Oh my god! Double cotton belt unit! HLCX! Ah! Sorry. That probably sent the foamers going nuts.
Oh yeah, if that ran today,
Oh yeah.
it would be chaos.
It would be. I'm gonna give that another 7 out of 10.
I give it 7 out of 10, 7.5.
Okay.
Classic Jeep horn. Classic.
Yeah. All right. Let's see what's
This
next.
is pre-PSR, by the way. This is back before PSR.
All right. Here we go. Next up. That's different sounding. Oh, that's why. Because it's the Caltrain MV-15 DC.
No.
Rescuing a bomb set.
Yep.
Do you know what kind of horn that thing has?
A K3LA.
Oh.
Just a fouled K3LA. It's a pretty good horn, giving a 10.
Yeah.
It's certainly impressive for 15.
Yeah.
You don't expect a horn that loud on a locomotive that small.
Yeah. Oh well.
Also sounds like a Jeep.
It does. It does.
Yeah.
Let's give it another 7. I think.
7.
I think.
Yeah, I think that's the same unit from the first video.
I think it's safe to. I think it's safe to say that most of the ratings in this video specifically are just gonna be like 7s or 8s. So don't.
Yeah, a lot of these horns are gonna be Jeeps.
Yeah. Oh, hello. Oh no, that's just a center beam. No, it's not. It's just stuff. Oh, that's different. It's so blurry as fuck. I love it. That's my.
38.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to point out that without my glasses on, this is what I would see without them on.
Yes,
this,
I am doing this is demonstration for everyone that doesn't have glasses. This is what people without.
this is what the webmaster sees on a daily basis if I don't have my glasses on.
Yeah, I'm giving a demonstration. But that lead unit was a GT38.
-2.
Yep.
Nice. 8 out of 10 for me.
I'll give that a 10. It's different. They don't run around here anymore, so
I'm
different.
I'm gonna be a jerk here, but if you were to ask me what my favorite if you asked me, but if I had to choose between a Jeep 60, a Jeep 40, or a Jeep 38-2, I would pick the Jeep 38.
Yeah, they're good all around.
Yeah. Sorry to those who like Jeep 40s or Jeep 60s. I have my preference. Anyway.
Yeah.
Is this all? No, there's still one more. What's this? Oh, that guy was racing. I like how they have the number boards wrong.
Yeah.
The number boards should be on the lead unit, but they're on the second one. What the hell, guys?
Yeah. But
What was that? A Jeep 60 as well?
Jeep 40,
Yeah.
UP 51.
Yeah.
I could tell by a light configuration. That's my favorite. Flat. It's X Southern Pacific.
Nice. I'll give it a...
Classic design. Classic police horn. Overall, good unit.
I'll give it a 7.
Alright?
And here comes you giving it an 8. Am I
Yeah.
right? Yep, I was right. Alright, our final video is another video that has yet to be uploaded as of recording this. South Bay Freights. We have a few things here. We have Mission Bay, of course, and a few other things. Let's go into it. Oh my god, it's a Jeep. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, the Tamian elevator is out again. It's always been out.
My god, it hasn't worked in 5 years. We don't even know that it's out.
Yeah, exactly. a Jeep with an electronic bell, and it hasn't been what's the word?
Built.
Yeah, preposterous. I can't believe it. That's a Jeep 60, right?
Yep.
All right. What was the number on that thing? 1018. All right.
1018.
With no nose light, only forehead.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I'll give it a 6. It didn't give us really much to work with.
Yeah.
That's my main reasoning.
Same area.
Well, I'll give it a 6.5.
Yeah.
Look at all that.
It wasn't extra local. Didn't really have much to it, but here we go. Yeah.
Mckinney.
Yeah. Feels like.
Is that a Jevo?
We don't know.
I don't know. No, it's 9919. SD59. Get wrecked. It just has a horn that sounds like a Jevo.
Get wrecked.
Get wrecked,
Get
nerds.
wrecked over. No Jeep on the Shinbei.
I'll give it a 7. Nah.
I give it an 8.5.
Okay.
Pretty good horn.
Yeah.
Interesting from 59.
Very.
All the best case of HL telling the area.
Mm-hmm.
And he did give us something to work with.
He did.
There.
He did. Oh, he did there. Wait. Yep, he does. I wonder why. Maybe work crews.
I knew the engineer.
And there's 9916.
Yep.
With his E-bell.
Yeah.
Oh shit, you can see them. The magical lights. Do you see them?
Where?
The magical ghost lights. They're like right here.
Oh, damn.
There they are. The magical ghost lights. There they are. And there they go. Whee! Oh. Nice. Oh, he waved.
Yep.
Oh, dude, it hissed at you. How rude. Is that it? Yeah, it is.
Oh, think of a shaving haircut if you go down. If you just keep watching. Take 3 minutes.
You can really hear those prime movers going. Man, it sounds like they're at Notch 8 almost.
Yeah, they will not shake because this is a 65 card.
Yeah. I'll give it an 8.
It was unusually long.
I'll give it an 8.
I give it an 8.
Yeah.
Good room.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
But anyway, that is the end of the horn review, guys. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you haven't. We upload every Tuesday and Thursday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So hit the notification bell to know when we do. But anyway, I'm the Webmaster and joined by the CalRail fan, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.
See ya.
Yeah.